Okay, so for Gabby today we're going to do the 3 areas, the 11, the forehead, and crow's feet with zoom-in. Give me big frown, big. Okay, so you can see here that the muscle, the middle one is the strongest, and she has like even the left side as well a little strong. So we're gonna do 16. So I'll do 4 here, you know, so that for injectors who are watching this, you just have to observe each muscle, and this muscle goes all the way up and down. So usually we have like 1 injection, when here we needed 2, and then here again we'll put a little bit more than 4, maybe 5 units, and here I'll put like 3 units. So I adjusted according to her muscles, and then I put a little bit of pressure here so that it distracts the nerve fibers, the pressure, and then what they get here, and then here big smile. So again, for the crow's feet we usually need or the recommended 4 like 12. Here that's the only area that's bothering her, so we'll do a little 4 units. And if you notice, the muscle here is very superficial, so I barely embedded the needle. There's no point actually in going too deep, because that potentially will just bruise the patient and actually be deeper than the muscle, so the results will be less and the chances of bruising is more the same. Just barely in. Okay, and set. Throughout, sometimes I keep getting the air out of the needle because it will spill less of the units when it's devoid completely. There's no air in the syringe. So I'm gonna do the forehead. So here we're gonna do 10 units. So I'm injecting 2 units at a time. I don't like to inject more than 2 units, I mean, at a time in the forehead. Again, here sometimes when you spill from the pressure of the liquid, you can always aspirate. They're like only 5-10%, little amount, but you know, I like to make sure that I get all the units into the patient's muscles and not to waste anything. There's different ways to do that. Sometimes as I'm coming out, I can also aspirate, and that will also prevent the spilling of the tiny little amount of Botox or zoom-in into the skin. And that's the last one, and then you could see we finished. Okay.